Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The navigation pane in Word lets you quickly search or navigate through your document. To enable the display of the navigation pane, click the View tab in the ribbon. For all document views other than Read Mode, then check the navigation pane checkbox in the Show button group. However, if using Read Mode, you instead then select the navigation pane choice from the View tab's drop-down menu instead. By default, the navigation pane appears at the left side of the application window. To move, resize, or close the navigation pane, click the small downward-facing arrow in the upper right corner of the pane. A drop-down menu of choices then appears. To move the navigation pane in Word, choose Move from the drop-down menu or hold your mouse pointer over the title area of the pane until it turns into a four-pointed arrow. Then simply click and drag the pane with your mouse to move it. If you release the mouse button when it is over the document area, it then appears floating over the document area. You can leave the pane floating, or you can dock it to either the right or left sides of the application window by dragging it to the right or left sides of the application window until it docks itself to that side of the window. To resize the navigation pane in Word, choose the Size command from the drop-down menu, or simply hover your mouse pointer over the separator line between the pane and the main work area of the application window until the mouse pointer then turns into a horizontal two-pointed arrow. Then adjust the width of the pane by clicking and dragging with your mouse. To close the navigation pane in Word, choose the Close command from the drop-down menu, or simply click the X button in the upper right corner of the pane to close the navigation pane. To search for text in your document using the navigation pane in Word, type a search term or phrase into the search bar within the navigation pane. As you type the term, Word then automatically searches your document for matching text entries. Matching results appear highlighted in your document. You can also click the Results section below the search bar in the navigation pane to list the matching results in the navigation pane. If there are too many matching results, they may not all appear in the Results section of the navigation pane. However, a Number of Results line always appears under the search bar with upward and downward facing arrow buttons to its right that you can click to individually navigate through the matching results. To stop searching and stay at a selected result, simply click the X button at the right end of the search bar. Also, to navigate through your document by using any headings or pages in your document, click either the Headings or Pages sections under the search bar in the navigation pane. You can then click on a heading or on a page to navigate to that heading or page within your document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.